And this is Ryan. You want to introduce your car?
Yeah, F30 3285, 2012. Got an M Sport, well, yeah, it's an M Sport as well. It's decently spec, not too bad. Got enough power for now, since it's daily driven. So yeah, it's doing good, man.
Oh, nice.
Enjoying it. Yeah, most of the time traction is off. So yeah, I'm sport mode. So yeah, it's doing good.
This is Diver's first car meet, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
We're popping the titty. Right.
Don't do me like that. Stop the work, just start it. I took off some work just to warm up. Stop the work, just start it. I took off some work just to warm up. Stop the work, just start it. I took off some work just to warm up. Stop the work, just
Okay. Alright, so basically everyone's here, yeah, but no one's allowed through because apparently there's no space and security are just refusing to let anyone go in. Guys, so everybody's left. We're all gonna park up on like the side of one of the roads, and then apparently they're bringing the barbecue out. So everyone's gonna get going.
Floor it.
Send it.
Send it. Send it. Oh, shit. There's a microphone.
Send it! Send it!
He was so confused.
Send nudes! Is that Abra?
Yeah,
I f***ing told him to come as well.
Yeah, CEO, yeah.
home, it's just gonna be me, Gurpreet, Tay, and Haaroon. That Jabba ranks, which are heading off to Good May's Nando's. So we're gonna go and eat. Okay, so as usual, it was a car meet, even though it kind of flopped. We did end up at Nando's.
And there's Haaroon.
Nando's! Got Haaroon.
Just leaving.
Thank you for watching this video. Obviously, you know the drill about the like, comment, and subscribe. Come on.
We were planning to do an interview with one of the car meet organisers, so hopefully HTUK, but if they're unavailable, we'll try and find one of the owners or the admins, organisers of a car meet. There's so much negative press around car meets, car enthusiasts, car shows, anything to do with cars. We're all deemed as boy racers, even though there's loads of girls anyway. We wanted to give some positive light.
We're gonna leave you guys with that thought, and we'll see you guys in the next video.